Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today we are going to be learning about how to cook some sweet, delicious, colorful vegetable rice. And for that you will need some cooked peas, 500 grams, chopped carrots that have also been pre-cooked. Don't pre-cook them very soft, just a little bit of heat. Pre-cooked rice, cook it around 2 or 3 hours before so that while you're using it, it's cool. You can also use leftover rice from last night. And we are also going to be using some chopped onions, chopped cucumber, and chopped red bell peppers. And of course, some salt to taste. Okay. So you begin by setting your stove on high heat and add some cooking oil, a generous amount. Then once your cooking oil has heated up, you're going to add the onions. Stir them so that each part gets enough cooking oil, and then you're going to cover it up. So once your onions have begun turning golden brown, we are going to add our cucumber and stir. Bring down the heat to medium. Cover it up. Remember also, you don't want your cucumbers to be very softly cooked. You want to retain that crunchiness in them. So before too long, you need to add your red bell peppers and stir. And you can use any type of vegetable that you would like. Don't be limited to the vegetables that I'm using. At this stage, we are going to add in our diced carrots. Then we are going to pour in our green peas. Remember to pre-cook all these ingredients so that it's much easier when you're preparing. You don't want to be preparing vegetable rice and one ingredient is uncooked. That will not be easy. At this stage, you're going to add in your salt. Then at this stage, you're going to bring back the heat to medium. And then we are going to start adding in our rice. Remember, when you're adding in your rice, don't pour it all in. You're going to pour it in small bits so that it gets mixed in appropriately. So start with a small bit of rice. Yeah, and I think that's enough. I think that is a nice balance of color so that we don't have so much rice or so much vegetables. And what you do is that you cover it and set the heat on low, because you don't want the rice sticking to your pot or it burning. All right, so after around 5 minutes of your rice simmering, you're going to put off the flame, give it a final stir, and our rice is ready to be served. There's an amazing balance of color. It's very colorful. We have some orange, we have some red in there, some green and white. And I can assure you it's equally delicious. So guys, now we're going to serve it. And in my humble opinion, it's best served with some minced meat. So we're just going to put on some like that. And guys, that's how you prepare some delicious, colorful vegetable rice.